Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of laundry to bring you the ultimate game changer, the 5 best washing machines of 2024. If you want to see more information on the updated price, check the product links in the description box. So, let's get started. Number 5. Uoso Pukwem 33 Mini Washing Machine. The Uoso Pukwem 33 Foldable Lightweight Mini Washing Machine is a small, portable, and easy washing machine, which is perfect for those people who live in hotels, dorms, or RVs. It has a top-loading design and a 4.41 lb washing capacity. The washing machine uses high-frequency vibration to clean clothes, which is more efficient than traditional old washing machines and uses less water. This machine also folds up for easy storage. Some of the features of the Uoso Pukwem 33 Foldable Lightweight Mini Washing Machine, like high-frequency vibration cleaning, also have some extra features like foldable for easy storage, energy efficient, water saving. It is perfect for those people who live in very small houses. It is perfectly easy to use and operate. This machine is portable and very easy to store. If you are seeking a small, portable, and easy washing machine, then the Uoso Pukwem 33 Foldable Lightweight Mini Washing Machine is a great option for you. You can use it without disturbing other people. It is quiet and safe to use. This machine is a durable and very long-lasting product for a lifetime. This washing machine is a best choice for those people who are looking for a small, portable, and easy washing machine, which is also water-saving. Number 4. Portable Foldable Mini Washing Machine. Portable foldable mini washing machines are a convenient and space-saving laundry solution for small apartments, dorms, camping, and travel. These small washing machines are typically less expensive than traditional washing machines, and they use less water and energy. There are various benefits of using this washing machine. Very easily portable, small size, and very lightweight, so it is very easy to take anywhere. Foldable design for compact storage when not in use. Automatic cycle with agitator and spin dryer capacity of up to 3.5 pounds of laundry. Ideal for washing baby clothes, underwear, or small items. There are many benefits to using a portable, foldable mini washing machine, including save space and money on laundry. Portable, foldable mini washing machines are much smaller than traditional washing machines, so this machine takes up less space in your home. This machine also uses less water and energy, which can save money on your utility bills. Easy use and operate. Simply add your laundry, detergent, and water, and then select the cycle you want. Portable, foldable mini washing machines are best for small apartments, dorms, camping, or travel. This is the best way to wash your laundry without having to worry about finding a traditional washing machine. Gentle on delicate fabrics such as baby clothes or lingerie. This is because they use a gentle agitation cycle that is less likely to damage delicate fabrics. Clean clothes thoroughly, even if they are heavily soiled. This is because they use high-pressure water. The mini washing machines are a convenient and space-saving laundry solution for a variety of needs. This is the best way to save space and money on laundry. And this is very easy to use and transport. If you are finding a small, efficient, and affordable machine to wash your laundry, then a portable foldable mini washing machine is a perfect option for you. Number 3. Crown Bear Folding Washing Machine. Technological advancements have brought forth innovative solutions, and one such breakthrough is the folding washing machine with dryer bucket and mini washing machine with drying centrifuge. This revolutionary product combines the convenience of a compact and portable washing machine, the added functionality of a built-in dryer bucket, and a separate mini washing machine with a drying centrifuge. Let's into the features and benefits. The folding design of this washing machine allows for easy storage and portability, making it an ideal solution for small living spaces. Its compact size does not compromise its capacity. It can handle a decent load of clothes, ensuring efficient cleaning. The integrated dryer bucket is a remarkable feature that eliminates the need for a separate dryer machine. It utilizes advanced technology to effectively extract moisture from washed clothes, reducing drying time significantly. The inclusion of a separate mini washing machine with a drying centrifuge adds another dimension of convenience to this product. This mini washing machine is specifically designed for delicate items. It ensures gentle yet thorough cleaning, maintaining the integrity of these garments while maximizing efficiency. The drying centrifuge efficiently removes excess water, minimizing drying time and the risk of damage to delicate fabrics. This machine offers versatile settings and customization options. Users can choose from various wash cycles, water temperature settings, and even adjust the spin speed to suit their specific laundry needs. This level of control ensures optimal cleaning results for different types of fabrics. The integrated dryer bucket and mini washing machine with drying centrifuge significantly reduce the overall laundry cycle time. By eliminating the need for separate machines, users can enjoy clean and dry clothes in a fraction of the time required by traditional laundry methods. The washing machine not only saves space but also conserves water. It requires minimal water usage compared to conventional washing machines. The built-in dryer bucket reduces the need for extensive air drying, further optimizing space utilization. By streamlining the laundry process, this innovative product enhances convenience and efficiency while reducing environmental impact. Say goodbye to tedious laundry routines and embrace the future of laundry care with this remarkable folding washing machine. Number 2. Obawaii Foldable Mini Washing Machine. Foldable mini washing machine, portable mini socks, underwear, panties, washing machine, big capacity. 3 models with spinning dry, has many facilities. A large capacity of 8 liters, which can accommodate a load of up to 2 kilograms of laundry. Normal, delicate, and quick wash. A built-in spinning dryer that helps to remove excess water from your laundry. A foldable design which makes it easy to store when not in daily use. The machine can be used to wash a lot of delicate items, including socks, underwear, baby clothes, and even delicate fabrics. Efficiency. The machine uses less water and energy than a traditional washing machine. Large capacity. You can wash a lot of laundry together at once. It has 3 different washing modes, so you can choose the right mode for your laundry. It has a built-in spinning dryer, so you don't have to hang your laundry to dry. It is energy efficient, so it saves your money. Number 1. Morphe Portable Washing Machine. The 8.5-volt big capacity foldable washing machine is a portable and convenient way to wash your clothes. It is perfect for small spaces. It is also great for washing delicate items, like socks, underwear, and baby clothes. Lightweight, you can easily transport and easy to use. Simply add water, detergent, and your clothes, and press the start button. The washing machine will do the rest. The washing machine is energy efficient, so it won't add a big strain to your electric bill. The washing machine is made of durable materials for users, so it can withstand a lot of use. Now you can wash a lot of clothes at once. The washing machine has a 2-in-1 washing and spinning function, so you can wash and dry all your clothes in just one step. The washing machine has an automatic draining function, low noise sound, so you can use it without disturbing other people. This machine's detergent can leave residue on your clothes. Overloading the washing machine can prevent the clothes from being cleaned properly. Helps prevent any type of bacteria. The washing machine is available in a lot of colors, so now you can choose one which matches your decor. If you're ready to upgrade your laundry game, check the link in the description for more details. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. Thanks.